Disney Pixar Finding Dory, Ocean of Color by Bill Scollon, illustrated by the Disney Storybook Art Team. Dory is a bluefish who lives in the sea. Marlin and Nemo are orange fish. Dory remembers her mom and dad. They are blue like Dory. Dory swims into the deep, dark ocean. She wants to find her mom and dad. There's Dory. Dory meets Hank. He is red. There's Hank. Bailey is a beluga whale. He is white. This is Bailey. Destiny is a whale shark. She has white spots. The otter is brown. He loves to cuddle. Becky is a loon. Her feathers are black, blue, and white. Dory sees a purple sea urchin. There's the purple sea urchin. Dory finds many fish. There are lots of color. Dory spies some pink coral. She is home. Dory sees yellowfish. She does not see her mom and dad. Dory swims through the green kelp. Dory sees two fish. They are blue like Dory. Dory finds her mom and dad. Dory loves her colorful family and friends. The end.